The 12 Best Books for Financial Success. Reading is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. In the next few minutes, we will share with you the reasons why we believe reading is important, tips and tricks for reading more, and the 12 best books we believe will help you make money. These books have played a significant role in many people's financial journey and have helped increase income and wealth. So, start reading today and make this year a better year for your personal and financial success. The importance of reading. Reading has become a crucial part of many successful people's lives, but for some it wasn't always that way. As children, many didn't enjoy reading and only started to appreciate it as an adult. Most successful adults have made the decision to become a reader and set a goal to read one book per month. By the end of the year, they look back and have read 12 books, and for many it becomes a personal record. This achievement often motivates people to read even more. Oftentimes people aim to read 3 books per month and gradually and consistently read 100 books per year thereafter. Tips for reading more. If you're just starting out on your reading journey, we recommend setting achievable goals. It could be as simple as reading 2 books in a year. The key is to start and gradually improve over time. Another tip we have is to utilize audiobooks. Contrary to popular belief, listening to audiobooks is just as effective as reading with your eyes. In fact, studies have shown that there is no difference in comprehension and retention between the two methods. Audiobooks also offer the advantage of being able to listen at a faster speed, allowing you to consume more content in less time. You can listen to audiobooks during your commute, while working out, or doing household chores. The 12 Best Books for Financial Success. Now, let's get to the 12 best books we believe will help you make money. These books cover a wide range of topics, including business, sales, investing, money psychology, habit building, history, and philosophy. Many individuals credit these books with assisting them in every significant increase in income and wealth along their journey. Here is the list. Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book provides valuable tools for improving your life in any area, including income generation. The Almanac of Naval Ravikant. This book is a collection of explanations from one of Naval Ravikant's tweet storms, offering insights on how to get rich without relying on luck. Skin in the Game by Nassim Nicholas Taleb. This book emphasizes the importance of taking risks and starting a business to create wealth. $100 Million Offers by Alex Hormozi. This book teaches you how to make irresistible offers that people find difficult to refuse. The Fiat Standard by Safidian Amis. This book provides a comprehensive understanding of money, its history, and the alternatives going forward. Principles for Navigating Big Debt Crises by Ray Dalio. This book offers insights into past debt crises and financial cycles, helping you navigate uncertain times. Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. This book features interviews with successful investors and traders, highlighting the importance of risk management. Safe Haven Investing for Financial Storms by Mark Spitznagel. This book focuses on protecting your assets during volatile times and mitigating large losses. You Can Be a Stock Market Genius by Joel Greenblatt. This book provides valuable insights into investing and was influential in the success of Michael Burry, who famously shorted the housing market. Atlas Shrugged by Ayn Rand. This fictional book explores the ethical morality of building wealth and entrepreneurship. Never Split the Difference by Chris Voss. This book, written by an ex-FBI hostage negotiator, offers practical sales tactics and negotiation skills. When Money Dies by Adam Ferguson. This book details the collapse of the Weimar Republic and hyperinflation, providing insights into what happens when a currency fails. Conclusion. These 12 books have provided many individuals with valuable insights and strategies for financial success. By learning from successful individuals and studying their strategies, you can reprogram your brain to think like them and adopt their habits and actions. Reading is a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. So, start reading today and make this year a better year for your personal and financial success.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.